When you ever visit Hout Bay, then from here you can take a boat to Seal Island to see some sea lions. But usually you have to wait, we still have to wait 5 minutes. And then it's always good to stop at Mojo bar for Savannah, for example, which is a South African cider. If you have a beer intolerance, the right thing to drink. If you don't have a beer intolerance, you drink the Erdinger. And now we are off to the ship. Cheers. It's about half an hour boat ride, but you should not be seasick in order to experience that. And then you're about to find 1,000 sea lions, which are just here and behind me, which are performing tricks for us today. And it's well worth the trip. So at the end of the day you meet Poppy here, which is now about to go into the water. Poppy is very hungry, huh? What a nice little cat.